Today's recipe is for Island Time Tequila Lime Shrimp using Caribeque Island Time seasoning. Start off by seasoning 1 pound of large peeled and deveined shrimp. I recommend using 16 to 20 or 21 25-count shrimp, but you can use whatever you like. Go ahead and give it about a tablespoon or 2 of the Caribeque Island Time seasoning. And toss those shrimp up and let them marinate for about 30 minutes. Now that you got the shrimp tossed up, go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of butter to a cast iron skillet over medium heat and add the shrimp in. Spread them out so that they all have even surface area and flip after about 2 or 3 minutes per side. Then go ahead and add bell peppers and jalapeno peppers. Next up, go ahead and turn off the heat and add some tequila. After the tequila has been added, you can go ahead and turn the heat back on and then squeeze a lime in. I like to use a pair of tongs and press down in between so that you get all of the lime juice incorporated. Once the shrimp are fully cooked, go ahead and add in your scallions and your cilantro. Fold that in and you're almost done. To finish off the sauce, I like to go ahead and add a tablespoon of butter and swirl that in once I've turned off the heat. This adds a nice velvety shine to the sauce and really brings out the flavor of the shrimp. There you have it, Island Time Tequila Lime Shrimp, using Caribeque Island Time spices. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can check out our YouTube channel for Caribeque at caribeque.com.